first want to cleanse and condition the hair to create the perfect base for our then perfect blow dry. Because Laura has type 3 hair, so curly hair, we're going to use the Hydrate Cleanser and Conditioner. Next, for our second stage is the Hydrate Conditioner, but we're going to add the Beauty Potion to a mix of 3 to 2.5. This mixing ratio is because Laura has medium length hair. If you have longer hair, this ratio can be adjusted. The Beauty Potion, by adding it, mixing it in with the conditioner, really helps to nourish the hair. Now that we've created the perfect canvas, onto our perfect blow dry. We're going to approach this in several steps. First step is to apply the Hydrate Spray Conditioner. This is to help moisturize the hair even more. It helps to comb through the hair before then encouraging the curl, the form, to come back into itself before then blow drying it. We don't always have the time to work through the hair in horizontal section patterns, and we found that working in vertical sections is a lot faster and easier to manage. I just want to make sure that there are no tangles in the hair, that it feels really smooth. Obviously, we're combing through the hair with the wide tooth comb because this is a lot kinder to the hair. Our second step is the curl enhancer. What I love about this product is it's our middle ground between care and styling. So this is going to help to bring even more moisture into the hair before we then move on to our next step, which will be to ensure that there's hold and structure in the curl for it to then last. I'm going to be applying this again in vertical sections. I'm now moving to using my fingers to work the product through. I'm doing this because I want to already start separating the hair. As I'm working through it, I'm also going to massage it in so that the hair can start coming back to its natural form. Curly hair can often be quite flat at the roots, so it's really important to help lift the curls from the roots. So what I like to do is, once I've worked that second step through, I like to then tilt the head to the side and just help it on its way. So I'm lifting it at the roots, and then with my other hand, I'm just gently massaging and pushing the product into the hair. And you can see we're going from super straight to now seeing the form, the natural form coming back through. For our consumers at home, this is absolutely a tip that you can adopt into your hair care and styling routine. We've worked that product through. Just before we flip the hair upside down, I also like to have clients sink down into the chair and rest their head on the back. When using a towel, rather than rubbing the hair, is to just gently pat the hair, squeezing the moisture out of the hair this way, rather than rubbing. For our next step, we have the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly. We're really excited about this product. We've listened to you, the community of authentic beauty concept fans, and we have created our new latest innovation, the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly. We'll be distributing the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly, wrapping sections of hair around the finger to really help create this form, this wave and curls in parts. We want to make sure that it doesn't look too curated and that it has a natural form to it as well. We now want to dry the hair upside down for part of the process with a diffuser. When drying curly hair, so type 3 hair, always use a low speed and a low heat. It's really important to let the curls sit in the diffuser and just gently lift the curls from the roots. Try to avoid using vigorous movements, as this is also going to contribute to the curls becoming frizzy and fluffy. So we can see here with our textured hair that working those different products, so layering the products through the hair, drying the hair using the diffuser, using different techniques including leaning the hair backwards to the side and also upside down to really help to create volume and lift. And we can see as I move the hair, just the beautiful curls that have formed by layering the curl enhancer and also the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly. To finish off the look, I'm just going to add some of the Hydrate Smoothing Serum through the mid-lengths and ends to just really help plump up the curls and also give extra shine. And you can see that just by adding a couple of drops of the Hydrate Smoothing Serum, that's just helped to bring the curls even more alive. And so here we have our finished look. Our gorgeous model Laura with type 3 curly textured hair, and where we've really enhanced both the hydration of her hair but also the curl pattern. We started at the wash basin with our Hydrate Cleanser, the Hydrate Conditioner mixed in with the Beauty Potion, combing through the hair using the Hydrate Spray Conditioner, and then we built our curl pattern using the Hydrate Curl Enhancer, the Cosmic Blow Dry Jelly to create extra definition and control, finishing off with the Hydrate Smoothing Serum through the ends. We hope you've enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you next time.